Hello, welcome to my channel. This is a general reading for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of October. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it doesn't, you can book yourself a personal reading. The information is in the description box below. Please don't forget it's a general reading, so if it's not resonating, please don't try to fit in unnecessarily. Let me see what's up with my beautiful Sagittarius, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of October. Tell me what's up with my beautiful Sagittarius, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of October. Me, what's up with my beautiful Sagittarius Sun Moon Rising for the month of October? Give me one more card. Sagittarius, I do see in the month of October, some of you could be working towards your healing with probably like a healer or a psychiatrist. Some of you could be healers, or some of you could be really taking your mental health seriously, and some of you could be realizing that the place where you want to get in life mentally and spiritually and financially can only happen through massive healing. And I do see that you guys are prioritizing it. I do see that you guys are working with someone skilled, or maybe a therapist, a psychiatrist, or like a healer, and you are really trying to really heal the wounds that control your life. Sagittarius, for some of you, I'm also sensing that some of you could be breaking free. Some of you could be leaving the jobs that you were into. Some of you could be, leaving the environments that didn't align with who you are, and you could be really planning to, work on something that really aligns with your soul and something that you are skilled at, something that you are good at. Basically, you are deciding that you're going to do what you're best at. Like, some of you could be breaking free from the status quo. Some of you could be really, aligning with your most authentic self and realizing that you gotta do what you are good at. Some of you could really be quitting jobs and workplaces. Some of you could be walking off from places that you were working at, or the project that you were working on, so that you can finally invest into what what you're really passionate about. I do see that happening for a lot of you guys for the month of October. I want to clarify where is the star here. Give me one more card. Yes, Sagittarius, I do see that some of you could some of you for a very long period of time were feeling stuck, and you were feeling stuck, and at the same time you were also persistent in making something work. It could be a relationship, it could be work, but even though it made you feel stuck, you were still persistent, and you were still really investing a lot of energy into it. I do see that you guys are escaping that phase now. I do see that a lot of you have realized that that it's causing you a lot of harm. It's really wasting your energy. So it's better that you really instead of moving towards it, you guys are going to be taking a step back, because all of a sudden you're becoming defensive, and you are realizing that there are things that do not deserve your energy. It could be love matters. It could be a person. It could be it could be a workplace also. But I do see that like in the outer world, it may seem like you're escaping, but what you're really doing is protecting your energy. So I do see that a lot of you guys are walking off from places and people that do not serve you, and you are trying to really find out who you are, what you like doing, and then finally investing in those places. So I do see that this phase is not a phase wherein you have found what you like doing, but this phase is the phase where you are deciding to walk away, or already walked off from things and places and people that don't serve you, and now you are somewhere in the middle, in the transition phase, wherein you're figuring out what will serve you. So it could be, it could be feeling, you could be feeling a little shaky. You could be feeling a little a little stressed about where you're going, a little directionless, but I think you're on the right path, guys. Also remember that it's Mercury retrograde. If you're going to consider some old projects, like things that you were working on earlier, and if you want to refresh them, that's a great call to take. However, please don't get into anything new because it's not advisable during Mercury retrogrades. If this reading is resonating with you guys, please hit the subscribe button, and I will dive deep into the emotions of the person that you guys are dealing with. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person inside the community. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person. Could be dealing with an air sign, could be an Aries, could be a Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person my Sagittarius and Virgin are dealing with. Could be an earth sign too. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person my Sagittarius and Virgin are dealing with. I do see, guys. Okay, so at the bottom, your person like has genuine feelings for you, but at this point in time, this person could be really focusing on their finances. Could be really realizing that they need to grow, or they need to enhance their skills to get where they want to in life. Some of them could be really focused on their money, or where to invest their money. Uh, but I do see that this person certainly is not able to accept what you're offering. This person is in no space whatsoever to accept what you're offering, and that could be making you feel like you need to walk away from this space. You could be feeling rejected, you could be feeling like your love and your warmth and your emotions are not being acknowledged, accepted and reciprocated. And you could be feeling like someone's doing you wrong, and that's why you could be really wanting to walk off from this place because you're realizing that you don't deserve it. However, guys, I don't see a lack of interest here. I just see that this person is preloaded with with other things. There are their priorities are different at this point in time, and to be a part of any equation or healthy relationship, we need to respect other people's priorities. I want to clarify, why is Seven of Pentacles in reverse? Why Seven of Pentacles in reverse inside this person's feelings? Give me one more card and please clarify why Seven of Pentacles in reverse inside this person's feelings. Fair enough, fair enough, fair enough. Sagittarius, so I do see that this person can clearly see that you guys are escaping, that you guys are probably, acting a bit distant and a bit cold. This time for a change, this person has just decided that they really don't want to chase you. They really don't want to run after you. They just want to, keep doing their own thing. Basically, I do see that this person is sort of running out of fucks to give. And I don't say it in a very negative connotation. I'm only trying to tell you that this person has their priorities are different at this point in time. And all you could do for your partners, the best thing that you could do for your partners is really respect who they are, what their priorities are. I think it's sort of unhealthy. The choose me attitude, 24/7 is quite unhealthy, and all of us need to get rid of that. I want to clarify, why is Four of Cups here in Sagittarius person's feelings? Please tell me why is Four of Cups here. One more card and write out Four of Cups for me. Please clarify Four of Cups in Sagittarius person's feelings. Okay, Sagittarius, for some of you also I'm hearing that, at this point in time, this person could be, this person is really focusing on their finances, because this person does realize that, they're looking at the bigger picture. They do see that, they want to settle down in a couple of years. This person wants to, build a family in a couple of years. And they do see that right now they're not equipped with the right kind of resources to make that happen. Some of them could be feeling they live out of their means, and all of the financial matters and the settlement bit, and the fact that they are not really equipped for the future could be troubling them, and they could be really drowning in those thoughts at this point in time. I do see that. Please clarify why Spirit is falls in reverse. Please clarify why Spirit is falls in reverse inside this person's feelings. The Hermit in reverse. Please clarify why Spirit is falls in reverse inside this person's feelings. Yes, Sagittarius. See, I'll tell you, to put it in a nutshell for you guys, this person that you guys are dealing with would need support, would need a place to confide in, and would probably need a place where, even if, right now, if they're not much interacting with you, if they're not giving you that kind of attention, you must not really burden them with expectation at this point in time, because this person is really figuring their shit out. This person is sort of unhappy. This person is sort of, their grounds are shaky. They're not really in a very good place in life. So I don't see, that they're thinking or giving any priority to this relationship or any other relationship at this point in time, because their priorities are different, their troubles are different. And they do realize that their focus has to be on those problems, so they are treating that as priority. It would be great if you could just support them and not, act distant and escape. If this reading is resonating with you guys, please hit the subscribe button, and I will find out the outcome for you and your person for the month of October. Please give me the outcome for Sagittarius and your person for the month of October. Give me the outcome. Okay, Sagittarius, some of you who are already married to this person or have kids with this person could feel like they are breaking free, and as a reflex, as a reply to their demeanor towards you, you could also be breaking free. I do see that, some of you Sagittarius could be deciding to invest in multiple equations. Some of you could be really deciding to get your emotional and your physical needs met outside of this relationship. So beware of that. This phase could have you really, fuck around, or because you guys are already feeling disconnected, you guys are feeling discontented, you guys are already feeling, very discontent with your career, very discontent with your love life. So you could be feeling hollow, and you could be trying to find fulfillment in, in activities that are not healthy for you. So I do see some of you, doing that out of feeling, some of you could be really tossing your lifestyle. Some of you could be, starting to chase unhealthy lifestyles. Some of you could be really starting to do something really unconventional in a negative way. And some of you could be really, seeking some sort of satisfaction outside. So you gotta beware of that. Also, I do see that, your person could be finding it out, Sagittarius, and your person could be very disappointed because, they were, as far as their mental state is concerned, it's not like they're disinterested in you, it's just that their priorities are different. But if for once your partner is not able to pay attention to you, what are you doing during that period of time defines how, your integrity and your loyalty towards your partner. So it's time to prove that you're a loyal partner, Sagittarius. Please beware. Please beware. I do see that you guys are really going to fuck up, and I do see that you guys are disconnected already with your intuition, and this may not go well. this may not go well. So it's better, the advice for you guys would be to focus your attention on your passions, start meditating, start diving deeper, try to find out your passions, try to find out your purpose, work on something, and probably support your partner. I hope it helped, guys. This is it for the month of October. Let me know in the comment section if it resonated. I will see you guys next month.